the shocking truth about your memory. Warning, your brain is infected. No, not with a computer virus, but with something just as dangerous: memory viruses. These sneaky glitches distort your thinking, weaken your memory, and even rewire how you see the world. And here's the scary part: you have no idea they're there. Scientists call them cognitive distortions, mental viruses that mess with your brain's ability to store, recall, and use information correctly. But the good news? Just like you can run an antivirus scan on your phone, you can scan and remove these memory viruses from your brain. Today, we'll expose 3 of the worst ones and give you the exact steps to rewire your brain for clearer, sharper thinking. And trust me, once you fix the 3rd one, your memory will never be the same again. Let's dive in. Memory virus number 1, the illusion of truth: why your brain believes lies. What's the virus? Your brain believes repeated information, even if it's false. It's called the illusion of truth effect. If you hear something often enough, whether from social media, news, or your own inner voice, your brain starts accepting it as fact. How it affects you. Ever wondered why people hold on to wrong beliefs, even when faced with evidence? This is why. Your memory shortcuts familiarity for accuracy. Example, a 1977 study found that people rated repeated statements as more true, even when they were objectively false. Imagine hearing, "I have a terrible memory," or "I'm bad at names" over and over. Your brain locks it in as truth, rewriting your own potential. How to fix it? Brain antivirus update. Step 1, question repetition. If you hear or think something often, pause and ask, is this actually true or just repeated? Step 2, expose yourself to new facts. Surround yourself with different perspectives. Your memory builds based on what you expose it to. Step 3, rewire with positive repetition. Tell yourself new truths. Instead of saying, "I have a bad memory," switch to, "I'm training my memory to get sharper." It works the same way, just in your favor. Drop a comment. What's one false belief you've caught your brain repeating? Memory virus 2, the Google effect: your brain is getting lazy. What's the virus? You don't remember things anymore because your brain doesn't have to. Ever Googled something, forgot it instantly, then had to search it again? That's the Google effect. How it affects you. Your brain outsources memory storage to technology. Instead of remembering details, it remembers where to find them. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Relying too much on external memory weakens your brain's ability to recall information. Example, a study at Columbia University found that people are less likely to remember facts if they know they can look them up later. How to fix it? Brain antivirus update. Step 1, force recall before searching. Before Googling, try recalling the answer first. This strengthens memory pathways. Step 2, use the write it down rule. Physically writing things down forces deeper encoding in your brain. Step 3, practice active recall. Instead of rereading notes, test yourself. Ask, what did I just learn? Your brain needs exercise. Stop outsourcing everything to Google, and you'll see a massive boost in memory retention. Quick challenge. Try remembering a phone number today, without saving it in your phone. Let's see if your brain is still sharp. Memory virus number 3, the overload loop: why you keep forgetting things. What's the virus? Your brain is overloaded with too much information. Imagine trying to pour water into an already full cup. That's your brain right now. How it affects you. You read something, forget it immediately. You walk into a room, no idea why. You feel mentally exhausted, even after a short task. This is cognitive overload. Your brain is drowning in information and can't process things properly. Example, studies show that our brains are bombarded with the equivalent of 34 gigabytes of information daily, the same as watching 100,000 words of text. No wonder we forget things. How to fix it? Brain antivirus update. Step 1, declutter your mind. Reduce distractions. Close extra tabs, limit notifications, and stop multitasking. Your brain needs space to think. Step 2, the 5-minute memory dump. Write down thoughts before bed. This frees up brain space and improves recall. Step 3, embrace boredom mode. Let yourself be bored. When your brain isn't overloaded, it naturally processes and strengthens memory. Try this. Next time you feel mentally foggy, take a 10-minute nothing break. No phone, no scrolling. Just let your mind wander. You'll be shocked at how clear your thinking gets. Which of these 3 hacks are you going to try first? Comment below. Conclusion: your brain has been hacked, but now you have the antivirus. Quick recap. Memory virus number 1, the illusion of truth, stop believing repeated lies. Memory virus 2, the Google effect, train your brain to recall. Memory virus 3, the overload loop, declutter your mind. Now it's your turn. Which of these brain viruses have you noticed in yourself? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And hey, if you want more neuroscience-backed hacks to upgrade your brain, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Your mind is your most powerful tool if you know how to use it. See you in the next one.